What's up, family? Now, this spaghetti was one of my stock picks for the year. Now, I told y'all to buy this spaghetti at $1.88. Let me see something real quick. I first started buying this spaghetti last year. I was telling y'all it's gonna be one of them quantum computing that's going November 22nd, day before my mama's birthday. I was telling people to buy this. $1.88. I bought this thing. $1.88, $94, right? 50 shares. Now you go look at this thing. It's at $29 today. I told y'all, if all in this stock, y'all could have went and bought 1,000 in them and been up 29 G's, family, for $1,000. This is how I be trying to do for y'all. Like, look, if we go year to date, 85% on all your money. In my stock pick of the year, AEHR, well, I was telling everybody to buy. Check this out. Let me see. AEHR, my under the radar stocks. I told you to buy AEHR at, what was it, $11. AEHR said my stock pick of the year, $11, $12. You go look at it, it's $30 today. You go look at the year to date, it's up 78%, family. And I told y'all to buy this stock at $12, $11. Kill it right there. You be up, you could have went and got 100 for about $1,200. You would have had $3 grand right now. This is how I want y'all to try to grow, family. That's why I be telling y'all about these stocks. This was my stock pick of the year. You feel what I'm saying? I told everybody about this stock on Facebook. Everybody, y'all want to make some money? Buy this stock, fall in here. And now look at it. You see? You be up. But I just want to come on there and share a few of these stocks. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. I told y'all to buy, let's go to ETFs. I told y'all to buy, let's go back in. This thing is all over the place. Let's see. Let's go back in to, not that one, but this one, right? Let's go look, SMH. I told y'all to buy SMH at 180 some bucks. Let me see. I sold to get my money up out of that thing. I was good, Gucci. Now I first bought this thing at 160. It went up, sold it. It dropped back down 180. 180. This is April 9th, 2025. Y'all was like, buy SMH. I remember this. Now you go look at SMH. And SMH is $325. I told y'all to buy SMH 185 and under. You be all the way up, and then you go look at year to date. It's up 32%. This is an ETF, right? Up 32% year to date. You know what I'm saying? And you could have just put all your money here and been up. You know, told y'all to buy the NVIDIA at $87. Y'all gonna get on me one day, family. But y'all stay on me, man. Stay blessed. And this is just examples of what you can be buying and where you can be putting your money to get a return. So that you take your money and give it a job like you got a job. I love y'all. Peace.